Okay, more fun with fractions. Let's calculate some sums and differences of rational numbers, and we're going to really mess around with the minus signs this time. So it looks really crazy, but I'm going to hopefully show you how to relax this down, make it more comfortable. Okay, first problem here, we have 2 divided by negative 5. Now, 2 over negative 5 is a negative fraction, so I'm going to write this as negative 2 over 5. Notice, positive divided by negative is still negative, so it doesn't matter which side we put the negative on. Now we're adding a negative number, so I'm going to treat that like a subtraction problem. And since the minus sign is here now, I can think of this as a 5 over 2. So I've rewritten the problem as negative 2 over 5 subtracted by moving the minus sign over here because of adding a negative into a positive number, 5 over 2. So now I can use what I prefer my cross multiplication technique of 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, 5 times 5 is 25, and negative 4 minus 25 is negative 29 over 5 times 2, well, that's just 10. Final answer. Let's see this model one more time. 3 over negative 2. Again, I prefer the negative number at the top, easier to work with. Negative 3 over 2. Minus a negative means to add, so I'm going to put plus sign this time. And because the minus and the negative mean to add, all I have left over here is the 5/3. The minus became part with the minus to become negative. Sorry, the minus came with the negative to create positive, not licking toads. Now, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 2 times 5 is 10. And negative 9 plus 10 is the number 1. Over 2 times 3, well, that's just 6. So this answer should be 1/6. Pause the video, try it on your own, but our last example here would be 1/2 minus a negative, which would be plus 3/4. 1/2 plus 3/4. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. And when you add those together, 4 and 6 are 10. Over 2 times 4, also known as 8. Oh, and we have to do a little extra reduction here. 10 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. Answer 5/4, so that way we have a completely simplified fraction.